What's up everybody, EW44 here from acesprogram.com, and this is the phase 1 test model for my tri-kaleidoscope projector, which I will be using to examine the properties of saturation versus deprivation in the Ganzfeld study. And here's what we've got going on here. Everything's in a cooler, just a styrofoam cheap one. I made this kaleidoscope for a different project and I'm reusing it. And that's just 3 mirrors taped together in a triangle. I am going to put 2 more below it. And the purpose of having 3 kaleidoscopes is to increase the amount of sensory saturation, as each eye can have its own kaleidoscopic image. And then also there's an extra. Another reason is to help me triangulate while I'm looking at the images. It'll give me a good center point. This is just a clear plastic plate, and I just drew some crazy designs on there and put some paint on it. I am going to trim up this border so that this actually sits all the way into the cooler without touching the sidewalls. And I'm going to find a way to suspend it in there, but allow it to have the freedom to spin. And that spinning motion is what's going to drive the kaleidoscopic animation that will be projected. And I'm going to do that by cutting another hole in the back and putting a fan back here. And this will blow air into the cooler, and I'm going to have fins on the back of the plate, so as the air goes in, it's going to spin the plate. And the reason that I'm doing air powered is because this floodlight runs really hot. And while I'm practicing states of altered consciousness, I don't really want to have to worry about fires. So that's what I've got for now. I will continue to improve this thing, but I will take you to the darkroom now. So this thing is glowing a lot, and that's a problem. That means that a lot of light is escaping and not going through the kaleidoscope. So I will probably end up wrapping this thing in tin foil for the next phase. But here's what the image looks like. And that is not very good. I mean, obviously you can tell it's a kaleidoscope image, but yeah, that's just not very clean. So hopefully when I stop all the light from being lost and use that tin foil's reflective surface to maximize the light coming out of the kaleidoscopes, hopefully it'll brighten and clear up that image a bit. I will continue to post updates as I build new things and make improvements on this.